Guys, it's unboxing day. So I got this package from Onyyx by Gaga. I reviewed jelly nail tips some ago. So this was also come with the box with the jelly nail tips, but she did not include it, so she tried to send it today. So I'll be showing you guys what she sent, and this is the lamp. I'll be showing you guys I'll also be showing you a jelly tip so you can remember that I've worked with one of our products before. Okay, so that's all that is in the box. This is it. This is what it looks like, guys. This is a UV LED nail lamp. It's a mini lamp for those people that like to do their nails by themselves. So we have this bag in the box, and we also have instruction manual. Okay, it is not indicated. Uh, the watts is not indicated on the lamp. Like, okay, it's 24 watts. Sorry, it's a 24 watts LED UV lamp. Yeah, that's okay. That's very okay for a mini lamp. So this is the user manual. What you expect to see in this package: nail lamp, the user manual, and the Type C power cable. Everybody is going Type C right now. So it says we have 8 pieces lamp bit. That's the what's inside. Let me show you guys. Ta-da! This is what's inside. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, this is the bit. Okay, so then I almost bought this one from AliExpress, but I just decided to hold on. Thank God I didn't buy it. I will have up to now by now. So this is the USB cord they are going to be using. It's not a rechargeable lamp, so you have to plug this to the you have to plug this to maybe a phone charger or something, a phone charger to use it. So this is where this goes. And when it goes there, this is the power button. Okay, so I'm going to be plugging this right now so you guys can see what it looks like. Okay, so I don't think we need to, let me put it like so you guys can see it. So I don't think we need to actually read. So the user manual comes in English and Chinese, I think. In the Chinese language, I don't know what it's called. Okay, so you have told how to use it. But for us, we are used to using a lamp, so we know how to use it correctly. So I'm going to be plugging. Let me plug it, guys. So I'm going to be plugging this. Okay, so it's been plugged now, and so okay, guys. This is what you have. So if you order jelly nail tips, this comes with the jelly nail tips pack. So you have the full equipment to do your nails. So this is a jelly nail tips. Can you see it, guys? Let me remove the light. I reviewed this a while ago. So this is it. So I'm also going to be showing you guys how to use this thing very soon. So watch out, guys. Guys, I actually forgot to add these points in case there's no lights in your area. As Nigerians that we are, sometimes there might not be power supply. You can also use this with your power bank. You know, let me plug it so you can see it. So the light is on. That means it's working. It's going to work with it. So let me put it on. So guys, you see it. So you want to do your nails, there's no lights. Don't fret. With your power bank, be able to fix our jelly nail tips, and you are good to go. Isn't that amazing, guys? So dehydrator. I'm going to use this first. Then this is the primer, the next one. The numbers are on the bottom. So this is the press on glue. That's number 3, the first step. So this is the diamond no wipe top coat. So I've picked my nail sizes. Let me shift this out of the way. So I don't know why this is not bright enough. Is this okay? Okay. So this is the step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. I've done a review before, so this is like an updated review because I have the lamp now with me. So I'm going to be fixing it on my nails so you can see how to do it. In case you are interested in doing your nails, this pack, let me show you again. So guys, like I was saying, if you're interested in doing your own nails at home, this set, this box is what you should get. So this, with all this, with the lamp to work with. So let's start. So I'm going to start with the dehydrator. This is the number 1 step. Sorry, these are my nails. I picked them out. Sorry guys. So these are my nails. I picked them out. So I'm going to be applying the dehydrator on my nails. So this is the dehydrator. As you're applying it, it's drying up, so you don't need to wait. So you go to the next one. The dehydrator and the primer, they are both air dry. You don't need to cure them in the lamp. The dehydrator dries instantly, but the primer, you have to wait a bit for it to dry. Then you can start working your nails, guys. So I've done that. So this is press on gel. Can you see it? So I'm going to be applying this on my nails. So I'm going to apply it first, cure it for 60 seconds in the regular UV lamp before I start working on it. The last time I carried this particular set, I think I carried for about so I'm going to carry it in my lamp. Sorry guys. So 60 seconds. So let's keep counting. Last time I did these nails, I think I carried for about 3 weeks. 3 weeks, yes, 2 weeks plus. I took it out when I was tired. So $60 seconds, guys. 60 seconds. So this is the one I use now is the press on gel glue. So some of you might not want to visit the nail salon. You want to do your nails in the comfort of your home. Just send a DM to Onyxx by Gaga on Instagram to get your own jelly press on it tip set. It's the best, honestly. Fix it in your house and you're good to go. But you need to get some gel color so you can use it to do the finishing touches. Okay, so that's that. So it's time to use this, guys. So I'm going to press it, keep it like this. So let me switch it off because it's a lamp, it can dry this. So the press on gel glue again. I don't know, there's this thing And this thing, okay. Some people etch the inside and outside as well. I do that as well. It depends on my mood. So put, then can you see, guys? Can you see, guys? Easy to do, right? Okay, so let me put this on and do it and hold it. So you put this on, then you hold it. So easy to do, like, guys, let me bend it a little bit. Okay, so it's stuck already. I think I just held it for like about 20 seconds or 30 seconds before it got stuck. So guys, I'm going to leave it on so that I will just be using it. So I want to etch the inside of this. Etching it, make it last long. Okay, I think it's set to 1 minute, so it went off by itself. I always do this as well. So let me just do everything down. This makes it flush with the cuticle. As you can see, it's not showing, but I still need to file it a little bit so it can be very flush, you know. Okay. Just do it lightly. Do it lightly so it doesn't make. If you don't have the nail drill, you can use the regular file. Let me show you guys. You can use the regular file. So do like this. You don't have to have the nail drill to use this, because some people might be saying, what if I don't have the nail drill? You just want to edge the inside a little bit. And there are some tiny files, nail files that you can see in the market. So again, guys, so I'm going to on this so that then I can feel the heat of this in my hand. It's actually see, guys, I can feel the heat. It's 24 watts. It's enough to even dry the nails to the end. So that's that, guys. So can you see? So you see, I want to show you guys how flush it is. Can you see it? So I'm still going to put this in the regular lamp when I'm done to dry it completely, but you don't have to do that. So we go to the next one. Let me put this on. I don't want to struggle with when I'm done. So you don't want to put too much of the gel glue in it, and make sure you set it before you bring it close to the lamp, because once it comes close to the lamp, it dries instantly. So make sure you've placed the tip on your nails before you bring it under the lamp, before you bring it close to the lamp. So guys, you can see that I put this here and the lamp is by this side. It's because this lamp is very powerful. If it gets close to this glue, gel glue, you can dry everything instantly. So I don't want any storage that touch. So that's that. I think the lamp is set to 1 minute. So go again. So guys, on again. Set it before you bring it close to the lamp. think it cures in about 10 seconds. Can you see, guys? It's stuck. Very fast, right? In less than 30 minutes, guys, you are done with your nails. In less than 30 minutes, you are done with fixing it. So the last one, I'm going to put it like this. And put, oh, sorry guys, I miscalculated that. So guys, when I was editing this video, I discovered that when I was placing the tips on my nails, I was not in the camera view, so I decided to show you this just one, so you see how I did it. So I just, after putting the nail glue, the gel glue for the jelly tips in the tips, I placed it on my nails, not too close to the lamp, because if it's too close to the lamp, it can dry immediately and it will not be well placed. So not too close to the lamp. Then after placing it, then I placed it on my nails. I also noticed that the lamp is set to 60 seconds. So anything you want to do, you do it in 60 seconds. And if you want to go by it again, you can switch on again, so it can be up to 120 minutes. But I can assure you, the 60 seconds is enough for the nail tip to stay glued to your natural nails and to dry perfectly well for a 24-watt LED UV lamp. Guys, so I'm done fixing it. Can you see what it looks like? It's fast, right? I think we did this in about 15 minutes. Yes. So you can now file it, shape it, cut it to any length which you want to. I'm going to leave it like this first. I'm going to apply the polish off camera, because I just wanted to show you guys how to do this, not how to polish. Then we'll come back when I'm done. So guys, yes, I want to say something. Can you see this place? I didn't file this place before I fixed it, but can you see that it's flush with my cuticle? It's not sticking out, right? These ones I filed as well, they're not sticking out. So with this particular jelly tips, let me show you guys. With that set, with this particular jelly tips, you don't have issue of this place raising too much. It's just flush with the cuticle. So I decided to go with this pink because I have the same color on my toenails. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're interested in buying this jelly tips pack or box, you can send a message to our Instagram. I'm going to be leaving our Instagram link in my description box, so you can get in touch with her. I think it's about 25,000 naira, and it comes with the lamp. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Till next time, bye guys, and stay blessed.